Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we will be learning JavaScript Object with Challenge. I will cover 5 topics in this series. What is an object? Set the value of object property. Use for in loop. Store objects in an array. And a challenge. By the end of this course, you will be confident building programs using JavaScript Object. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time. So please stay tuned. Now let's get started with our first topic. What is an object? An object is the collection of properties where each property is associated with a key or name and a value. These values can be anything, including other object, function, arrays, or primitive data types like numbers or strings. Now, let's check how to create an object. First, create a variable, let's say developer, and assign them to curly braces. Inside, we can create a key or a name and assign them to a value. Again, as mentioned above, these values can be string, number, boolean, arrays, and so on. Then create another key, age, and assign them to a number. Add another key, skills, and assign them to an array. To access age, for example, we can use the bracket notation, which looks something like this. We need the variable named developer. Then inside the square bracket and quote, we need to add the key age. Or we can use dot notation, which is the most common one. Here, you can simply use developer.key age. Both of these will log 27 in the console. Now, let's take them in action. In my script.js, I will create a variable developer and assign them to the curly braces. Then I will add key name to the value John, age to 30, and skills to an array of JavaScript, React, and Node. Then in the message variable, I will assign them to template literals using backticks. I will add the message, Hi, I am $developer.name. I am $developer.age years old. I know $developers.skills and use the join method to add commas in each skills. Finally, I will log them in the console. If you check the preview, you will see the message. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will set the value of object property. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.